I used my stomach.
Alright. Anyway. Hey guys, Nitro here, and I'm here with my friend Colin. We are going to be doing a reenactment of Who's Cooking Tonight. A small funny video.
Yeah.
It's about 2 or 3 minutes long. We're going to do the first part of it. If you watch the video, you'll understand. It's for Left 4 Dead 2. It has Coach and Nicky. Oh, Nick. I don't know why I said Nicky. It's in the video. You'll understand if you watch it. He's going to play as Coach. I'll be playing as Nick.
Even though I'm not black or fat or bald.
Calm down, Colin. Just calm down. Alright, anyway, we're going to get started. So, hope you guys enjoy.
Oh, crap. Ugh. Nick. Nicky. Nicholas.
Yeah.
I'm hungry. Steak dinner.
Yes, I will deep fry you entire gone. Just play with you, man. Can't believe you fell for that.
Go for a
No.
barbecue bacon burger.
No.
Side order of large fries.
Coach. No.
Orange soda with no ice.
No.
And a piece of hot apple pie. What the?
Oh my god, I screwed up again. I keep losing over.
You are idiot. Wait, can this keep rolling? Just say that was a fail?
Sure, well, this is a fail.
Failure. You need to be Nicky.
I'm sorry, man.
Wait, you shouldn't use your glasses because Nick doesn't have glasses. You can't, I forgot you can't read without them.
It don't matter, we were 2 teenagers sitting at a wooden table trying to react to a stupid video we found online.
Okay, remember I forgot this is recording.
Yeah, this is recording. Alright, sorry.
Sorry! I'm just kidding.
Anyway, guys, we're gonna try this again. Sorry for the screw up.
Yep. Thank you. Oh, crap. Ugh. Nicky. Nicholas.
Yeah.
I'm hungry. Steak dinner.
Sure. Yeah, I'll deep fry your entire goddamn cow.
Heck yeah!
Just playing with you, man. Can't believe you fell for that.
I could go for a
No.
barbecue bacon burger.
No.
Side order of large fries.
Coach, no.
Orange soda, no ice.
No.
And a piece of hot apple pie.
No!
Get your butt in the... No! Mister, I don't think I like your attitude.
Kiss my
And that is scene.
Yeah!
Yo.
Best actors in the world!
We can beat Chris Pratt. Yeah!
Yeah! Hey, guys, this is Nitro here. Anyway, yeah. It's Nitro out.
Yeah.
Go call him.
Yeah.
Try to make more videos while I'm up here at his house.
Yeah.
Maybe do a house tour or something like that. I don't know. But I'm going to try to post videos more often than I normally do.
Yeah.
Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed.
Yay! Heck yeah!
Peace.